insight from the Bhagavad Gita which I want to share with you, something that will be very useful for you. You know, in the Gita there is something very interesting. I have often wondered why Krishna did not tell the Gita to Duryodhana. If he had told the Gita to Duryodhana and convinced him not to do all those things, evil things, maybe he could have avoided the Mahabharata war. And as a matter of fact, Lord Krishna actually did try to convince Duryodhana. Many of you will be aware of that episode. Once he went to persuade Duryodhana. And you know what Duryodhana said when Lord Krishna tried to tell him that you should not do all these things and it's adharma, it's unrighteous, it's morally wrong the way you are treating the Pandavas. Duryodhana's reply was very interesting. He said, don't tell me about dharma and adharma, what is right and wrong, don't tell me about that, because that is not my problem. I know what is right and what is wrong, but my problem is different. He said, I know what is right, but my problem is I don't feel like doing it. I know what is wrong, but my problem is I can't stop myself from doing it. Janami dharmam nachame pravritti. Janami adharmam nachave nivritti. It's a very interesting insight into human nature. He says, Janami dharmam. I know what is right. What I should do, I know it. You need not tell me. Nachame pravritti. I have no interest in doing it. I don't feel like doing it. Janami adharmam. I know what is wrong, what is bad, what is evil. Nachame nivritti. I can't stop myself from doing it. Why not? Why not? Then he says, Kenapi devena hridistitena yatha niyojito asmi tatha karomi. There is some power inside me. As it is forcing me along, I do that. Whatever it makes me do, I do it. I am helpless. There is a strong tendency in me which makes me do certain things which I know it's wrong. And what I want to do, I know what it's right, I should follow this path, but I can't. I try and I fail. This is my problem. My problem is not right and wrong. I know what is right and wrong. Sometimes young people say, Gyan mat do yaar, I know what is right and wrong. So it's basically that was Duryodhana's reply. Arjuna has the same question in Bhagavad Gita. Very interesting. In the fourth chapter, Arjuna asks Krishna, Atha kena prayuktoyam papam charati purusha anichannapi varshneya baladiva niyojita. Forced by what does a person do wrong things? Anichannapi, even if he or she does not want to do it. He wants to lead his life in this way, but he slips, makes mistakes. Later on he regrets that. Anichan, he does not want to go on that path. But baladiva niyojita, he is forced somehow. Somehow he does these wrong things. And it automatically echoes with us. We have these experiences on a larger scale or smaller scale, but we all have these experiences that we want to do certain things, lead our life in a certain way. You're all students. Who has not got this experience? You make a very ambitious routine, 12 hours a day, I'll put in 12 hours studying. And then somehow the whole day is gone and you find, okay, I'll do that tomorrow. Today I didn't do it. And we, as students, we have all experienced this. You want to lead your life in a particular way, you can't. You don't. Why not? Arjuna asks this. And the difference between Duryodhana and Arjuna lies in this precisely. Duryodhana did not ask a question. He put it as a matter of fact. I can't help it. This is my life. This is the way I am. I can't help it. What Arjuna does is, he puts it as a question. He says, what can I do about it? This is what's happening to me. How can I pull myself out of it? So if we are in Arjuna's position, we would like to know how to put our lives right. How can I set a target, how can I achieve that? This is the question. What is Krishna's answer? So this is from Bhagavad Gita, but we'll take a detour, a sort of bypass. Instead of going straight to Krishna